Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, glad to have you. I hope everybody is having a really good week. Here it is Friday already. Boy, when there's a holiday, it feels like the week just flies by, it's gone. It's like, gosh, Christmas was already 3 days ago. It's crazy. But it's okay because today is an unboxing of one of my favorite drugstore boxes, the Target Beauty Box. This box is normally $7 a month, and I got it for $5. I don't know if they were doing a Christmas special when I ordered it or whatever, but $5, and I love this box. Do you guys get the Target Beauty Box? If you do you love it? Do you hate it? Would you recommend it to friends and family? I love it. I think it's one of the, between Walmart and the Target box, I think the Target box is usually better. You usually have some really great things in there. All right, so you start off, you get this little card here. On the back, they always give you a $3 off coupon, and you can use this to purchase beauty products up to $15 or more. So that's always nice. I always like that. It also tells you a little bit about the products and gives you some tips to use when you're using those products. All right, so this is what it looks like. All right, so right off the bat, I'm just going to start with this one right here. I like how they tape it up so it doesn't spill all over your box. And this is the Dove shampoo. It's for intensive repair for damaged and dry hair. So I always like Dove shampoos. I don't think they're bad at all. So, and this is a nice sample. This is what, 3 fluid ounces. That's pretty nice. That's not a foil packet. That's pretty good. All right. The next thing that I see in the box is the Dr. Teal's Pink Himalayan Salt Scrub Restore and Replenish for pure Epsom salt and essential oils. And this is just like a face scrub. And that's a nice sample too. I mean, you know, look at this. This is, what is this? 1.59 fluid ounces. That's pretty good. I mean, I think some of our, and it is sealed for our protection. I think that some of the higher end beauty subscriptions could learn from the drugstore beauty subscriptions and learn how to really give a good sample. All right, so I'm gonna pop this open just a little bit and see if it has a smell. It does a little bit, but it's kind of like almost like a citrusy, earthy smell. It doesn't smell bad at all. I'm anxious to try this. I love any kind of scrubs and things like that. Next thing I see is the Bliss Lemon and Sage Body Butter. And this is a maximum moisture cream for your body, for your whole body. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh. I love getting my beauty boxes in. It feels like a holiday all over again. I get excited. Whew. Oh, come on. These, like I said before, these nails make it really hard to pull these safety seals off. As you can see, I'm struggling, but I did get it, so that definitely, woo, does have a light fragrance. Very, very light, though. Let's see how it feels. Nice. Ooh, that feels really nice. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and rub that in. That feels nice. All right, this is something that I've heard talked about 5 million times on YouTube videos. Everybody says this is the go-to drugstore makeup remover. I have never tried it, so I don't know, and this is one of the reasons I got this box, so that I could try it and see if I love it too. And it is the Pond's Cold Cream Makeup Remover. And it says deep cleanser, removes makeup. Let's see what it smells like. It does not have a safety seal. It has a very light, almost smells like moisturizer. Very light fragrance. So I am anxious to use that to see how well it takes off my makeup, see if it can replace some of that expensive high-end makeup remover that I use. Because I use the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, which I absolutely love and recommend. All right, then we have the Cubella Professional Plumping Gold Peel-Off Mask. Now, see, I don't typically go for a peel-off mask because I don't really like the way it pulls my baby hairs on my face, so I kind of stay away from these and usually go towards the wash-off masks, but I'm definitely going to give this one a try. And it does say that it's enriched with natural ingredients. So there that is. I'm excited. All right, and finally, I have the coconut lime from Me Bath. Makes skin super soft, and it's a bath bomb. So that looks nice. I'll definitely try that out. I'm not a big bath bomb person, but I'm definitely willing to give it a try. It says that it's going to make your skin so soft and luxurious, gives you a moisturizing bath, fizz and melt when it's submerged in water to release the nourishing oils, purifying minerals, Epsom salt, and ingredient fragrance. So there we go. Okay, so we'll definitely give it a spin. So that's my Target Beauty box for the month of December. I thought it was fantastic. What did you guys think about it? Did you get this box? Are we box twins? Would you consider purchasing a Target Beauty box if you don't already? I think that you would definitely, if you don't mind drugstore, I think that you would definitely like this box. Give it a try. You guys have a fantastic day and stay beautiful.